Mengukur suara kebisingan antara DJI Avata 2, Avata 3,5 inch dan Avata 3 inch di ruang terbuka.
82 ya?
Iya, 82, 80.
Oke, sip.
Lebih tinggi.
Oh, sama. Tadi bukan 85 ya?
Jauh. Yang ini sampai 87. Maksimal di 87.
Make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable.